In a world of constant change and progress, businesses need to evolve to stay ahead. Introducing Merpacc, the Cloud ERP and POS platform that empowers small-time businesses to evolve and thrive. Meet Priyanthi, a determined business owner who dreams of taking her small retail shop to new heights. But in a fast-paced digital world, she knows she needs to evolve to keep up. That's where Merpacc comes in. Merpacc is not just an ordinary ERP solution. It's a catalyst for evolution, designed to empower small businesses with its user-friendly interface and cutting-edge technology. From inventory management to seamless transactions, Merpacc provides the tools businesses need to adapt and grow. Powered by advanced automation and AI, Merpacc simplifies complex tasks, predicts trends, and provides valuable insights. With Merpacc, Priyanthi can focus on innovation, customer service, and strategic decision-making, while the platform takes care of the rest. Small businesses across the country have embraced Merpacc and witnessed their evolution firsthand. From humble startups to established enterprises, Merpacc has helped them optimize operations, increase productivity, and elevate their customer experiences. Together, we're creating a more agile and prosperous business landscape. Join the evolution with Merpacc and unlock the full potential of your business. Visit our website at merpacc.com to embark on your journey towards growth and success. Merpacc. Evolve your business, embrace the future.